heading to Bridgeport, Texas to get into that. It does look like there is some hail in there. Gonna take, this here is 51, Farm to Market Road 51, taking it to 114 West. Right now I'm in the Springtown area, going northwest to get into this here. I think it was the same storm I was on earlier. Broke off to get onto a structure I saw that had a really good handhold on it. And then this storm just started intensifying and it split. It split a few times. And it's still the northernmost split, surprisingly, is actually holding together better than the other one. So hopefully it can, I mean, it's almost 7 o'clock now. Hopefully it can stay together. We can get on it. I don't have my camera with me. I'm stupid. Forgot my camera. Hopefully I get something with my phone though. It's a decent camera. Got some stuff. Oh shit. I hope he doesn't get mad at me for holding my phone. State trooper just decided to drive by and I don't think I'm supposed to have my phone. Anyway, got some stuff over there. Kind of in the little northeast of Denton towards Frisco and McKinney. All that up there, it's just a bunch of thunderstorms. So far, nothing around here is severe. I'm just getting on to the closest nice looking storm. I can turn off my wipers. And, I enjoy this kind of driving. This is nice. I'm just gonna head towards Bridgeport. God damn. You hear that voice crack? That's getting cut out of the video. 149. Yeah. Yeah, wow. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Heading to Bridgeport. I know I keep saying that. I feel official if I keep telling you where I'm going. And I've got an actual good YouTube channel up here. Yeah, I enjoy driving down roads like this. I wish I had a little bit more hours of daylight than I do. I mean, this time, I usually lose all light 9 o'clock, 8:45, 8:30 this time of year. We're at 2048 now. Headed towards Decatur to head towards Bridgeport. This guy's gonna pull out, isn't he? God, come on, get out of the way. All right, storm chasing continues. I will stop recording now, and I will be back shortly. All right, we have visual of the base right there. That's part of the precip right there. It's not low at all by any means. I mean, it's not severe anyway, so I wasn't expecting rotation. Biggest threat I think would be small hail, unless it goes severe because it has big hail. That would be nice, but I doubt it. I don't think it's going to, but it could. And hopefully if it does, I'll be there to see it. For now, just gonna head over there. I'm pretty sure it's all just rain. I don't know, I'll check the radar here in a second. Alright, my turn's coming up. Alright guys, just left the Paradise, Texas city limits. Getting into the edge of the storm now. As you can see up ahead, it does get a little heavier in precipitation. Still about 6 or 7 miles from Bridgeport. Hopefully, there are reports of small pea-sized hail in this storm. Hopefully, it'll stick. You know, it'll stay hailing when I get to it. Even though, I mean, pea-sized hail won't do much. I don't think it really would dent. There we are. Bad thing about storm chasing in a rear-wheel drive truck that is 24 years old with no traction control or any sort of stability track or anything is when it rains and it haunts like it is here because it's just god-awful road network, then, oh god, my windshield wipers stopped working now, Jesus. Oh man, it's an adventure, that's for sure. Yeah, so I did hydroplane a bit back there, which is sketchy whenever it's a 2-lane road. There's people right next to you with freaking semis and shit. But yeah, there's a hefty amount of ponding here. Okay, it's starting to slow down. We have got a hefty amount of ponding on the side of the roads here. The heaviest part just came through. I recorded, but apparently my phone decided it was going to be stupid, and the video didn't save. It closed out everything. I was like, well, this is fun. But yeah, I mean, it looks like there's still a heavier bit here. I'm in the cell actually just split again. I'm in the southern split right now. I'm just underneath it. And the northern split isn't that insane looking, you know. Look at this flooding though. That is just crazy. That is an insane amount of flooding. That blows me away with how much flooding. Oh shit, I'm at the time. God, like I don't even know if I can safely get up into that gas station. Speed limit 30. Okay, well let's freaking shift into third. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna continue this way. That would be a red light. God. Shitty thing about driving a manual. Fucking red lights when you're trying to record. You know what? The speed limit is 30 and I shifted down. And I'm still going 40 plus. Where should we go? Should we look right? I think we should go left to stay with this. Let's see what's this way. Where we go at? Damn. GPS. We're working on it, guys. Speed's probably gonna get a good one as well. Yeah. There's some lightning. Alright. Still some flooding over here on the side. This is a main street too. Okay. Well, I played myself going this way. I think I should have gone, wow, look at this. This water here. A lot of water for Main Street. I assume that's what this is Main Street. No, it's not called that, but that's what it is. Let's see here. What world is that? Nothing. Residential area. I assume this way is a good way to go. I'm sorry for look at that flooding there. Let's see what that's like. Yeah. There's water there, alright. Alright, so we're back on 114. I don't really remember ever getting off of 114. What in the hell is that? I couldn't really see if it was coming or not. This far down 114, you gotta say. You can try to get up back into that there. Then, wow, that's a lot of water right here. Well, I say it's rained a little bit today by the looks of it. that structure there, man. That's in an anvil here in a second. Unless it already is. I'm gonna have to check the radar. It's been a second since I checked the radar. Looks like there are some new cells popping up right here around me. Alright, so I'm gonna check that. I'll get back with you guys here in a bit. Alright guys, pulled over. I think I'm a little bit northwest of Bridgeport on a westbound highway. Watching this here. Still producing pea-sized hail. Had a good amount of lightning with it, which has been very pretty. Gotten a few pictures out here. Landscape's perfect out here. Look at that. Yeah. Got a western cell that just went up. There's the anvil to it. It's a little west of where I am now. I don't know if I'm going to hop off this storm and go over there or stay with this, because this one is still going pretty strong. I'm surprised. It's split so many times, and right now the split that it just did is carrying north. It's looking good. A lot of precip there. I don't know, I'm going to keep looking at radar for a few more minutes, decide which storm I'm going to go with. We'll go from there. All right. Alright, just a little bit of downpour right here. As you can see, there is flooding in this gas station, insane flooding. And yeah, I'm pulled over. I'm gonna see if it's worth getting into this hail, which I doubt, if there even is any. It's coming up on radar a little bit of the purple signature, but I really doubt. I don't know, to get to it, I'd have to take a bunch of small roads. It wouldn't be like a highway to get to it, sadly. A bunch of country roads, and I'm not sure I trust this vehicle in the mud. Yeah, there's some flooding going on here. A lot of fun. So damn congested, it's insane. Look at that water. Alright, well, I'm gonna figure out my next move and start recording from then. Alright guys, I said screw it. Heading into the center of the cell. That's where the hail is. This road is terrible. I have really thought I was going to flood this vehicle out numerous times. I have hydroplanes. Luckily, it's not that busy of a road. I went eastbound from Sunset, Texas. I'm near Pleasant Hill Road, if anybody's familiar with this area. Yeah, the flooding is insane. I'm hoping that I'm about to get some hail. I've had quite a bit of lightning around me, which is pretty cool. You'll probably be able to see some in this little bit. God, the amount of ponding on this flippin' road is insane. Like, I would not, if I was in this truck, I would not want to be on this road. And here I am, in this truck, on this road. I'm hoping I get some hail here in a minute. And I know the sun was still up quite a bit, but I'm in the middle of all the precipitation and it looks so dark outside. And I'm like, ooh, it's spooky. I don't know where I am. Cell phone reception's kind of crappy. I think that's how horror movies start, right? Yeah, keep recording here for the duration of this time. Hopefully be able to document some hail. I think it's still pea-sized. It did look a little like a larger area was dropping hail. So maybe there is in the middle some golf balls, you know. If I'm lucky, I'll get a golf ball and crack a windshield or dent the hood or something. I just don't want to break the anemometer. That was expensive. I don't want that broken. I like that thing. My buddy was hitting some pretty intense hail up in, I think he was either in Oklahoma or Kansas, and just destroyed his anemometer. Just got a cage put on his back windshield, and I think he cracked his front windshield, and then a few dents, and then some broken like window guards on the side and stuff. You know, yeah. Should be getting close to where the hail was. Hopefully. I'm here looking at the clouds instead of at the car or at the road. Looking up like an idiot, like a storm chaser, always looking at the freaking clouds like a weirdo. Alright. See that lightning? Woo! I stood outside earlier with lightning going on all around me, taking some pictures of that. I'll probably put over in the video. But while I was sitting outside and lightning was going on around me, I was like, oh, that's fun. I don't know the name of the road I'm on. I'm sure it's a highway. You know, like a farm FM, maybe a spur or something. I'm pretty sure it's Farm to Market Road. Just by looking at it. So I'm sure it won't just dead end on me. See the end up there. I think I might have to, I don't know what direction I'm going, damn it. This road has winded so many times. Woo! That was right there. That was right there. Holy cow. That was bright. Let's see. The hail might be through that. I think that's the very center of the storm. I did it. I drove through the whole fucking thing. Woo! Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Too bad it doesn't mean anything. It's not like, oh, hey, we got a lower wall cloud. Nah, I wish, but no. Out here in the freaking middle of nowhere, just tear up some farmland, kill a few cows maybe. God, it'd be ideal to have a tornado right now. I would be so happy. It'd be ideal. Yeah, I think there's hail right up in there. It's about to pick up again, looking out that way. Yeah. Quite a few trees. Makes it a little unpleasant. If there was a tornado, I'd probably die from the trees. Alright. Narrow bridge. Yeah, here we go. More rain right here. Harder rain. It's gonna rain the whole time. Maybe this will be where the hail's at. I need somebody else to ride around with me so I don't have to hold my phone and drive at the same time. Like it has a little tail slipping out, but it doesn't. Alright, I'm going to end it here. I might be back here in a minute, not sure. Just going to focus on driving and the radar. Alright. Look at this roll cloud here. Check that out, dude. That's right behind me. Look at, oh no, I just missed the perfect shot of fucking lightning. God damn, it was right back there. God, look at this road, dude. This is a farm to market road. Nobody's on it. Kind of spooky, but hey. God. Oh man, I wonder if I can get like a good lightning shot. Alright, I'm gonna go for lightning now. nice chase. Nothing severe. Bit of hail. I wasn't expecting anything too bad. Just kind of wanted to get out there and get in the storm, you know. As weird as that sounds. Yeah, I'm going down 35 now. Got about an hour before I'm back home. Got some lightning off to my left